Our next video shows you how to operate the audio system by using the dial for the sat-nav. First of all, you go to audio and you press. The screen changes.
She's afraid of him.
I'll turn down the volume. As you can see on the screen, it shows you what station I'm on. The top bar shows RDS, which is reading the actual station's name. You've got here for seek and there for seek. That's to move down. To move up is that one. Your FM2 is up and your bottom is for the scans. A select, auto select, tune, PYT and RDS. To find a station, you can push it that way to seek up, push that top button to push to seek up the stations, or to go down the radio frequencies, it's that one. Once you find your station, if you press the enter button, it will store it as 1 of 6. If you want to go to FM2, you push up the button as so, and it now goes on to FM2, which you see in the top right hand corner. By pushing up again, goes to AM. As you can see, AM. By pushing up again, it goes to AM stroke medium wave. And by pushing the button up again once more, it's back to FM1. If you want to save a station, you turn the dial, and as you can see, it starts to highlight. You press enter on the dial and it will save your radio station to that particular number. If you press down button, there's your A select, your tune, your PYT, your RDS, and the controls for your volume, bass, treble, etc. Now if you press enter, there are your controls for your bass, your treble. We'll do that again. Your bass, treble, fader and balance. Once you choose which one you want, let's say we go in for treble, so you press enter. Your treble is now highlighted. Same again, move the dial left or right, moves the bar. Once you have done that, press enter and it returns back to that screen. To get it back to the main screen, you either leave it or you press the back button. To get it back to the radio stations that you've selected and saved, press the back button. Once you've pressed the back button, it returns back. And then that's your audio screen. To get it back onto the map screen from there, you simply can either press the back button, will bring it back, or just press map button, brings it back. And that's the end of the video. How to set your radio stations and also sounds.